All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis, Bro Industries Motorsports here. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing and a tool review. This is from FABHeavyParts.com. They reached out to me, wanted to do a little collab here, and honestly, I'm a little shop, lots of tools, lots of cool projects. We built a lot of really cool stuff. Custom pre-runners, custom race cars, 800 horsepower BMW on E85 with a shot of methanol, fully caged. Stuff like this all day long. We do a lot of cages. One reason why I wanted to do the air over hydraulic 20-ton Ram is we do a lot of dimple die plates. We cut these out of 1/8 inch material or sometimes thinner. But it is steel. You stamp a dimple die into it and you line your cage all over with these. You tie the roll cage to the body. Well, normally you got the pump jack here. You got to pump. Let me show you. So this is my current setup. It is just a Harbor Freight 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Basically, you put your piece in there and you sit here and you pump. Like 5 million quadrillion gadillion times, and it very slowly goes down. So I have a timer here. I want to stamp out one of these dimple die plates. Typically, I mean, they take me a good handful of minutes. You cut them out, you clean them, everything, and then basically you put it in there and you stamp it and you pump it, and each one has multiple dimple die holes. These are some of my shorter pair that I picked. I cut them just for the video here today. We are going to give this thing a test. We're going to compare it to the original manual style. This is actually a setup I've been wanting to upgrade for quite some time now. So I personally am pretty excited about this. Once again, company's name is FABHeavyParts.com. They have pages and pages of very good priced products. They're very competitively priced. I was looking through there and I think I got, I don't know, 20 things in my cart at least, and I don't even think I only hit like 38 of like, what was it, 57 or 56 pages or something they have. So I'm pretty excited to be working with them, and let's go ahead and give this a shot. All right, so let's go ahead and rip into this. See what we got here. Box is a little beat up, but that's shipping. It's not on them. It does say it came out of California. All right. Whoa, that's a little out of place. It's a little awkward to grab here. All right. Check that out, everybody. Alright, got a little weird in shipping. Looks like that pivots. So far so good. I mean, it looks like a air over hydraulic Ram. Let's test it out here. Yeah, and it had the adjustable tip as well. I don't think I'll ever be using that because it is going to be mounted up inside the press here. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked on that. And then let's see to let it down. Just like that. That's cool. Seems to work really well. And And then these handles should clip together. My other one, since you have to pump the life out of it, I did put them together and I weld them together because constantly fighting these couple pieces gets a little annoying. So that is just something that I probably will be doing with this one as well. Or I'll just keep that handle and I'll just keep it on the machine, set this one to the side. But everything seems to look, honestly, I mean, as it should. Everything's in good condition, everything's clean, everything, it looks super heavy duty. Possibly get this mounted up on the side of the machine there, so it's nice and easy to use. But yeah, this is sick. This is really cool. No air leaks out of here, nothing. It just seemed to work really well. Looks very nice. So let's go ahead and let's do a time lapse. I'm gonna put the timer on and I'm gonna start stamping out one of these, and we'll see how long it takes to do it manually, and then we'll go ahead and we'll install this into the press, and then we will go ahead and do another time lapse and we'll compare times on how much quicker. One good thing I do like about this, if you're in the business of just a shop or a fab shop, custom metal work, whatever your line of work is, time is money. Everything you do, time is money. So that is my biggest thing with the doing the air over hydraulic. I cut these out and I sell them on the internet. I sell them on eBay. I sell them on my website, broindustrieslighting.com. And to sit here and manually stamp all these out, it's time consuming. We sell these fairly affordably, so the amount of time it takes to do it, this is going to be a huge help in speeding up productivity and just being able to knock out a lot more work and a lot quicker. Every little thing you do in your shop to be more efficient and cleaner and more organized and quicker and everything, it all pays off in the long run. So this right here, I'm really excited about it. If it works as good as it just did right now on there, I mean, we're gonna be flying through these things. So I'm really excited on that. So let's go ahead and let's do a quick little test run, and then we'll get this big bad boy installed here, and then we'll do a little test. All right, so this is 1.25 inch dimple die. So basically what you do is you slide it through the hole, you put the top on, you put it in here, and you just start going like crazy. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna start the timer. I'm gonna start a time lapse. I'm gonna knock it all out. I'm gonna stop the timer and I'm gonna go back to the camera and I'm gonna show you guys how long it takes to do it manually by hand. So let's go ahead and get started. There we have it. Our timer, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, not bad. That's one plate. You don't ever do one of these just one. You do them pairs, sets of 4, sets of 6, sets of 10, 12. So if you go and multiply that by, I don't know how many pumps per hole, per plate, That's a very long and tiring day. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this all apart and we are going to get the air over hydraulic one from FabHeavyParts.com installed on our frame here, and we're gonna give that one a shot. Alright, so we have it installed. I'm gonna go ahead and reset the timer. I brought the air over. We're gonna plug in some air. Whoa. Take off the little lock first. Thing is going crazy over here. Alright. Check that out. Oh, dropping the bar here. All right, that is cool. That works way better and way easier. I'm stoked right now. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, real quick before we go ahead and give the first test of this, if anybody's at all interested in this, I will put the link in the description below. The website is FabHeavyParts.com. FAB HEAVY.parts.com. But I will put the link in the description below. All the information, the description of it, everything will be down below. So click down in the descriptions below. Alright, so I don't think this one we need to time lapse it. I think it's gonna go super quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer here. And let's just get it. Oh, let's see if I can get it in order here. Look at that. That is so cool, you guys. I don't know if you guys realize how long that actually takes me. Make sure it's lined up. Press that out until it goes flat. Line this back up. Not only the amount of time this is gonna save, but I'm not even breaking a sweat. Do that. All right, this is our last one. A little tight there. All right, and then that is it. Alright, check that out. 1 minute 53 seconds. Struggled a little bit with these getting sticky. These do get a little sticky. I probably need to oil them or something. So that's my fault, but I try to keep them clean. I try to keep them really rust free, but I mean, it is what it is. But as you can see, this thing works great. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. I'm really pleased. This is exactly what I thought it would be, exactly what I wanted. I don't know if it really needs these extra springs because it is in this. I know this makes sense for just being on the ground or whatever for normal use, but I don't think they hurt anything. I'm just gonna leave it together. But yeah, that works great. And then what were we before? 3 minutes and 15 seconds, so almost twice as long. Almost twice as long. And what did I have to do? I hit a lever. I hit a button. Look at that. Like, how cool is that? Yeah, this is really cool. I'm really happy about this. I'm excited. We're gonna use the crap out of this thing. And I think that's the best part about it, is this is a tool that we are really gonna get a lot of use out of. All right, quick question. Can you guys tell which one was hydraulic, which one was air over hydraulic? No, you cannot. They're exactly the same, but this is the quicker one. This is the second one we did. Same results, everything is the same. Just half the time. 1 minute, 53 seconds versus 3:14. So that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. The thing works like a champ, honestly, and it looks really nice over here. This thing is gonna be really amazing to have here in the shop. It's gonna save a lot of time. It's just gonna work well. It's gonna save a lot of our energy and a lot of our, you're gonna be more comfortable over here working. You're not gonna be sitting here pumping like crazy. I mean, I'm gonna lose my workout all the time, but we'll make up for it in the house, so. But that thing is great. It's amazing. Again, it's from FABHeavyParts.com. Pretty cool website. I'm glad that I came across them. Lots and lots of stuff in there. Very good pricing, very good place. I'm definitely going to be getting some more stuff from them in the future. They have, I mean, a handful of different parts and tools and just equipment and welding carts and winches and all kinds of stuff, and I'm pretty excited. But yeah, this thing works great. I'm really happy about it. I'm really stoked about it. Yeah, I give this a thumbs up, 5 out of 5. I really like it. The price is right. Works great. The quality's great. Shipping, I think it was here in 2 days. It was super quick. Anything online, one of the biggest, most important things as a business is getting it timely and on a timely manner. I mean, time is money. And that's kind of the whole point about the whole thing, is time is money. So this thing is gonna make money, and it's gonna save a lot of time, so. All right, all that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. FABHeavyParts.com, check it out. This is the 20-ton air over hydraulic ram. This is a super good upgrade. I also need to get one for my cherry picker, the longer, I believe it's a 8-ton. I think that one's coming down on the list as well, so. Yeah, check them out. Products are great. I'm very happy with this purchase. This is awesome, amazing, 5 stars. I'm very pleased and happy, and I don't really know what else to say. Give them a check, follow. I'm gonna put the link and descriptions and everything down below in the description. It's all gonna be down there. FABHeavyParts.com. Be there, be square.